Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your own subscribe animation in Adobe After Effects, which I'm going to be giving you the template and the audio effects file, and I'm going to teach you how to use the template to make your own subscribe animation. So let's start. So I'm gonna giving the template in the description. You can download from there, and you're gonna be getting a file like this, and this is the YouTube subscribe animation, and this is the animation file which you're going to be opening with your After Effects. And you just need to open this file, open this After Effects animation, and now it will take a little bit time to load. So after loading, also you're going to be needing your channel profile picture, and I'm going to be giving you the subscribe audio. You're gonna be adding it later after the animation completes. So this is a temporary animation looks like. This is the template without the sound. Okay, so this is template without the sound, and now we're gonna edit it. So this takes a little bit easy time to edit. Just you're going to be renaming this. So you're gonna be rename the channel name. Just double click here on the channel name, and you're gonna be naming, I'm gonna name it like my channel. Just you can name it like this, and you can press Ctrl+S to save it. And you're gonna be next, you need to be naming the subscribers. You're gonna delete this empty text list which are gonna be created in between the editing, and you can change the sub count, and my sub count is currently 440 subscribers. And okay, that's 450 subscribers. So this is my sub count, and Ctrl+S to save again. And now you're going to be uploading your channel's profile picture. Okay, and now you can see, double click on your channel's profile picture, and now you're gonna import your channel profile picture from your PC. So mine is on inside the folder channel. This is my channel profile picture. It is inside the folder, and just need to import this, and you need to hide the rest, and you just need to drag it, not like this. So you just need to resize it, and when you're gonna click this and press S to open the scale, and just you're gonna resize this, just like to drag it on the right on the scale button, so you can easily resize it. Or you can simply drag this image like this, and you're gonna press Ctrl+S, and that's it. Just click here, go to the render, and that's pretty much it. You completed your animation. And you're also gonna be needing to add the sound effects file. I'm gonna be showing you that subscribe animation. I'm gonna adding it here, and as you can see, it has added successfully. And I'm gonna press play. Okay, that's the animation. And after the animation completes, you can just go to file and press export. So after the Adobe Media Encoder opens, you're gonna need to select where your animation is going to render in your PC. I'm going to render it in the same folder which I have gave you. So I'm gonna render it here, and I'm gonna press this play button. So it is now rendering. It is now rendering all the animations, and the time depends on your PC. And the animation now currently completed. So let's just minimize them, and let's go to the folder and see how our render came. So to apply this, you can use any editing software which has chroma key. You can also use KineMaster to use this animation on your videos. You can also use Filmora. I'm gonna use Premiere Pro, and just gonna show you it again, just how the animation looks like, as you can see here. So that's the video. Hope you like the video. If you liked it, give it a like and subscribe. Thank you. See you later.